Hey folks, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Dad channel. Today we're going to be fixing a little issue here with our brand new refrigerator, and the issue is this. We have no water because we have no water supply line. So we're going to be showing you how to run a water supply line from your kitchen sink all the way over to your fridge. So if this video helps you out at all, give me a great big thumbs up, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and then let me know what else you need to know about your house that we can help you out with. So to run this supply line, we're going to be coming from underneath the sink. We're going to be tapping off that, and then we're going to run it in all the cabinets behind and over to the refrigerator. Now the stove is pretty easy to pull out. The dishwasher, not so much, but we are going to be replacing the dishwasher. So if you want to check that process out, check out down below. I have a link to that video. Now let me show you what you're going to need to run this line. The first thing you need to do is measure and figure out how long of a hose you need. And we're going with this. It's stainless steel braided hose. There's a lot of other options out there. There's PEX and plastic line. I would avoid those. It's not a lot more money to go with a quality line like this that will not spring a leak. So we went with a 25-foot hose that should get us all the way around. We also had to pick up this adapter and check what size fittings you will need. We needed a 3/8 inch to a 1/4 inch adapter. So our supply line coming to the sink will run through here and the hose will come off that. And then you also want a way to strap your hose down. You don't want it flopping around inside your cabinet. So we picked up these. And I've got links to all this stuff in the description below, so you can pick it up online, or you can run down to your local hardware store and pick it up there as well. Now the first step is going to be going underneath your sink and turning off your cold supply. And it should be this one right here. It should be a 1/4 turn. And you'll have your cold here and your hot here. Hot's going to be on the left, cold is going to be on the right. So you want to turn that off so you don't have any leaks. Then come up to your sink and relieve the pressure in your cold line. Make sure nothing comes out. Once that's ready, you can unhook your cold line. So now we can come in here and start unbolting our line. There will be water in the line, so if you are concerned about that, you can put a bowl or something underneath it to catch it. There shouldn't be too much that comes out, but it will be a little bit. Now with the line off, our next step is to install this guy right here. It's going to go on top, and before the internet goes crazy on me, these are compression fittings. You do not have to use Teflon tape on compression fittings. So now with that nice and tight, we can take our original line, reinstall it up here. And now with that tight, we can run our line to our refrigerator off of this. And now using a drill through the side of each one of your cabinets. And then route the line through the hole. And then as you go along, you want to use straps like these to strap it to the wall so your hose doesn't hang loose inside your cabinets. And then once you have your line routed all the way through, locate where it's supposed to hook onto the fridge and connect it tightly to the fridge. Before you button everything back up, turn the line back on and inspect all of your new connections for leaks. When you first start it, you will have to purge air out of the line. And the first bits will come out cloudy because you have a charcoal filter usually installed in your fridge. The first 2 gallons of water or so and the first couple batches of ice you do want to throw out to make sure the filter cycles completely. And now that you've done all that hard work, there's only one thing left to do, and that is grab a nice clean glass, go over to your new fridge, and enjoy a glass of cold water. Now if this video helped you out at all, please go below and give it a great big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what kind of stuff you're working on around the house or what kind of things you need help on. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more of these do-it-yourself tips and tricks. And as always, thanks for watching.